KPIs and dashboards, I mentioned a second ago, super quick story. I know with my previous business and even starting out Workday Ninja, I thought of KPIs as kind of a bad thing. Like, ooh, it's the corporate way to do things. I have completely changed my mind on this and have started using them for years now. The best way that I can describe them is KPIs give you the framework that you need to say, oh, okay, this is in one metric, in one visual, in one chart, I can understand what's going on. So instead of deep diving and trying to figure out, well, where's our margins? How are we doing on this? How many active projects? I can create systems that go, how many active tasks do I have? How many active clients do I have? How many active projects do I have? How many overdue tasks do I have? Just looking at those from a metrics point of view at a count, I can look at that type of dashboard once a day and then know, oh, this isn't quite looking right, or this isn't looking right, or we're completely on track here. And I can make decisions with data instead of feelings and emotions on like, it feels like we're not doing as good, or it feels like we're overwhelmed, or it feels like we need more work. I can look at the data and go, this is the reality of what's going on. Now, one point that I'd like to make on this is like the knowledge base. Don't worry about mapping out 100% of your KPIs and 100% of your business in KPIs and dashboards. Start with only the ones that you find yourself asking questions on. How many overdue tasks do we have? How many active projects do we have? How many clients are we managing right now? Create KPIs for those, work on dashboards for that, and then add another one a month later, a week later, a day later. It doesn't matter. Just start small and iterate and build. And within a few months, you're going to have a really solid basis.